friends, let them know. So don't just watch, come join the cheer. St. Thomas welcomes everyone here. In our parish there's a place for you. Let's share our joy in all we do. Sunshine, we come alive. St. Thomas shines whether day or night. From the cool, cool hills to...
Tell me what you think, guys. Do you think that they'll be able to complete it before the major rain starts? If so, remember to drop a like, subscribe, comment and share. Hey man, tell a friend to tell a friend about JC's 876, the channel that gives you everything Jamaican and St. Thomas in particular, alright?